Hello and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Matt. I am your host, Matt Taylor. Today I have a little different episode for you. About a year ago I posted a video showcasing my patio garden. So now, being 1 year later, I want to go out there and give you an update on how it's doing. I'm pretty excited about it. Let's go outside, take a look. All right, I'll just do a little wide shot here so you can see. And then now let's do a close-up on each little plant. So over here I have my 3 mangoes. They are just growing really well. Really excited about my mangoes. This little guy right here is my pineapple guava. Really like this little guy. He's a lot bigger than when he used to be a year later. My mango tree had a really big windstorm come in that blew off all of my little things right here. And then over here I have a peach tree. And then up here, this is a jujube, or also known as the Chinese date. Nice. This guy right here is a cherimoya. He's about the same size as he was before. This is my almond tree, all-in-one almond tree. It's growing really well. Got my strawberries in there. Now this, I want to show you. This right here is my avocado tree that I grew from seed. If you remember in the other video, he was really small. Look how far he has grown, how much he's grown in a year. Here is tomato. If you look right here, we got some little tomatoes growing. This right here is another little avocado that I grew from seed. He's almost a little bit taller than the one that I had from last year. So this one will probably be the same size as that tall one I just showed you a year from now. This one is my loquat tree. He was really small when I first got him. A year later, he's almost 4 feet tall. My peppers, one thing I didn't realize about peppers, I never knew this, is they are perennials. As long as you don't kill them off in the summer, you can actually have them year round, which is really awesome. It's my little blackjack fig. I had another fig tree, but he died, so this one survived and is thriving. This is a moringa tree. Moringas are really useful. Like, you can eat the leaves, you can dry out the pods that come out, or you can eat the pods. Moringa plants are really actually pretty awesome. I might do a video dedicated just to moringa plants because they are really a good tree. This is the little mango tree that I started from seed. Nice. This is my apple tree. I grew from seed in the previous video. It was a little small little tree, and he's really tall now, about 3 feet tall. Here is another avocado that I grew from seed. Nice little guy. Back there is another moringa. Got another tomato plant right here. Nice. I'm going to come over here and I want to show you my passion fruit vine. When I bought this guy, I got him for $5 and he was only like 5 inches tall. And now, a year later, he climbs all the way up there. And he climbs all the way over here. Awesome. Now this one is my Barbados tree. I'm really sad about it because it finally set fruit this season. I had a bunch of them on there, and only a year later, and it's setting fruit. And I had a big gust of a big windstorm, like 3 days of wind, 2 days of wind, and it blew off all my fruit, which I was pretty sad about. But if you look up here, I do have one little fruit right there, which I'm happy about, and it survived. And I noticed there's a couple of other more growing. And with all the blossoms, I should expect to get a few more, which I am excited about. This was probably one of my most expensive trees in my collection, like 65 bucks or something like that. I got some grapes here. And then I think this is just 1 year later. I think I got some grapes starting right there. Cool. This is my pomegranate bush. There you have it. That's a little tour of my patio garden. Think I have enough trees and plants, or do you think I can fit some more in here? All right, I hope you enjoyed that little update video on my garden. I'm really excited about it. Things are growing really well. Also, it goes to show you that even if you have a small space, you can still garden if you want to. Someday in the future, when I have a house with a yard, I'll probably do more garden videos, probably create a new channel dedicated just to gardening. I think that would be really fun. Anyway, thank you for joining me. I'm Matt Taylor. This has been another episode of In a Kitchen with Matt. As always, if you have any questions or comments, put them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thumbs up, down the corner, push it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Also down below in the description, you'll find links to my other social media accounts, as well as my other YouTube channel, in case you want to check those out. Take care.